If you've ever been in a money dispute and thought, do I really need a lawyer for this? You might be thinking about small claims court. In this video, we'll walk through how small claims court usually works, step by step. First, a quick but important note. This video is for general information only. It is not legal advice. Laws and procedures are different in every place. For guidance on your specific situation, talk with a qualified attorney. So, what is small claims court? It's a special court for resolving smaller money disputes. Usually, there's a maximum amount you can sue for. The exact limit depends on your state, province, or country. Cases are simpler. The rules are more relaxed. Many people represent themselves. Step 1. Decide if small claims is right for your case. Small claims is usually for things like unpaid loans, security deposits, damaged property, or simple contract disputes. It often cannot handle divorce, serious injury, or criminal matters. Check your local court's website to see what types of cases they accept and the money limit. Step 2. Try to solve it first. Courts usually like to see that you at least tried to work it out. That might mean sending a polite written demand, an email, or a text clearly asking to be paid by a certain date. Step 3. File your claim. You'll complete a form that explains who you're suing, how much you're asking for, and why. Then you pay a filing fee. Some places allow fee waivers for people with low income. Step 4. Serve the defendant. The other person must be officially notified. This is called service. The rules are strict, and you usually cannot serve them yourself. Check your court's instructions carefully. Step 5. Prepare for your hearing. Gather your evidence. Contracts, receipts, photos, text messages, emails, and witness statements can all help. Organize your story so you can explain what happened in a clear, simple way. Step 6. The hearing. You and the other side each tell your side to the judge. The judge may ask questions. Stay calm, be respectful, and stick to the facts. After the hearing, the judge issues a decision, called a judgment. If you win, you may still need to take steps to collect the money. The court usually will not collect it for you. Remember, every area has its own rules and forms. Always check your local court's website, and when in doubt, speak with an attorney. If you'd like to make your own clear, animated explainer videos like this one, head over to vidfactory.ai and create professional videos effortlessly.